conflicting cries. In space, nightmares arise. Seeing no data again, light has no thrust, bathing flight. A visual of smoke, unsure the left light is broke. Proceeding the override, new debris in atmosphere, losing visual precision flight. Rules not alone, dreadful strife. Oh no. Shares the throne, bone to bone. Stand grounds on your own. In lights from the day, million miles away. Remains of light, scenes of life I write. Sounds of nothing, there is nothing to carry. Sounds of pressure, clearly. New oxygen, dreadful silence. Earth storms allow, no data around. Space has its violence. Sounds of nothing. Each left a floating arc. Sounds of nothing, made marks. Something fired, not a war. Honor lost, fame restored. We'll send one to the sky, built the Lord knows why. Enter over space, flying into outer space. This is what astronauts retold. Can fear death, have not mankind. Could be your last breath, like the hound of hell. When your breath is lost, dying because of frost, life enduring flames, dreary skies. Life through my eyes, your voice is breaking, effect to tell the world. Shears of throne, bone to bone, stand the ground on your own, in lights from the day, million miles away. Remains of light, scenes of life I write. It was not dying, everyone died. It was not dying, we had died before in crashes, and our mistakes easier for anyone to make. We learned about space. Survival is what all our hope, luck us. Travel's not us coming back. Space in space, colors black. Twist of murdered bodies of our pack. Following the stars, all the way to Mars. Have some fate in destruction. Can you see yourself in your reflection? Lose yourself in your addiction. Disaster is the master. Outer space is our disaster. Share the throne, bone to bone. Stand ground on your own. In light from the day, million miles away. Remains of light, scenes of light.